Good morning dear students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today I am going to explain 26th dated assignment. Topic is respiration in organisms. Now let's see question number 1. Why do we sneeze? Let's see the answer. The air around us has various types of unwanted particles such as smoke, dust, pollens, etc. When we inhale, when we take in that air, the particles get trapped in the hair present in our nasal cavity. There are very fine hairs if you will look into. So very fine hairs are present in our nasal cavity. So these unwanted particles get trapped over there. However, sometimes these particles may get past the hair in the nasal cavity. Sometimes they are trapped, but sometimes they get past. Then they irritate the lining which is present inside the nasal cavity, and as a result of that irritation, we sneeze. So this is the reason why we sneeze. Now let's see the next question. Question number 2. What happens when we sneeze? So sneezing expels the foreign particles from the inhaled air, and a dust-free clean air enters our body. So when we sneeze, these all unwanted particles are expelled through our nasal cavity, and we inhale a very clean air inside. Okay, now let's see the next question, that is question number 3. What care should we take while we sneeze? So answer is, when you sneeze, you should cover your nose so that foreign particles you expel are not inhaled by the other person. When we sneeze, that abruptly went out, those all dust, germs, everything. So we should cover our nose like this with handkerchief or something else or tissue paper, so that it cannot be inhaled by the other person standing beside us. Now let's see the fourth question. Question number 4. Label the parts in the given diagram. Okay, lungs. So where are the lungs? Let's see. Lungs here, this is the lungs. Then B, ribs. So these bones which protect our lungs, these are the ribs. Trachea. So where is the trachea? This windpipe. This is actually termed as the trachea. Pharynx. So pharynx is situated here. Pharynx. Then diaphragm. So the E part, this is the diaphragm. Now let's see the question. Write one sentence about each of the part. So about each of them, let's see what is being told. So A is the lungs, that is the respiratory organ. Definitely we know lungs are the respiratory organ. Then what about the ribs? The ribs protect our heart and lungs. Okay, our heart is situated between the lungs, that is protected by the ribs. Then C, that is trachea. This pipe, it helps in passing of air into the lungs. Okay, now what about the pharynx, which is situated here? So it is a common junction of windpipe and the food pipe. That is, the pharynx is the common junction of wind and the food pipe. And last but not the least, that is diaphragm. So that diaphragm, that is the muscular partition present between the thoracic and the abdominal cavity. It plays an important role in respiration. Due to the movement of that muscular partition, that is diaphragm, our ribs move inward and outward, which results in exhalation and inhalation. So students, I hope you have understood today's assignment keys very well. Thank you for watching.